Today I want to talk about batteries, more specifically deep cycle lead acid batteries used in RV applications. Did you know that properly maintained deep cycle batteries should last for 6 or more years? Unfortunately, some RV owners replace RV batteries every year or two. Extending battery life is not difficult, it just requires some basic care and maintenance. Today we are going to look at 10 battery tips to help extend the life of your RV lead acid batteries. Let's start right now. Caution: always keep safety in mind when working around lead acid batteries. When you work around batteries, you need to wear goggles, gloves, and remove any jewelry. Do not smoke or use any open flames around batteries. Routine maintenance and recharging a discharged battery as soon as possible will extend the life of the battery. The leading cause of dead lead acid batteries is sulfation. When a battery is in a low state of charge, small crystals start forming on the plates, and if it remains in this condition for an extended period of time without recharging, the battery is ruined. Battery sulfation starts when a battery's state of charge drops below 80% or 12.4 volts. Recharging the battery in a timely manner helps prevent sulfation. Never let a 12-volt battery discharge below 12 volts or a 6-volt battery discharge below 6 volts. That probably sounds funny, but a fully charged 12-volt battery is actually 12.7 volts, and a fully charged 6-volt battery is 6.3 volts. When a battery reads 12 volts, it is at or below a 40% state of charge. You can measure the voltage using a digital voltmeter. Measuring the voltage gives you a quick picture of the battery's depth of discharge so you know when the battery needs to be recharged. Set the voltmeter on DC voltage and place the red lead on the positive terminal and the black lead on the negative terminal to read battery voltage. Reducing the battery's depth of discharge increases the life of the battery. For example, a battery discharged to a 60% state of charge every day will last longer than a battery cycled to a 40% state of charge every day. And remember, recharging the battery in a timely manner will prevent sulfation. RVs have parasitic loads that can slowly discharge a battery over time. Some, but not all of these loads are LP gas leak detectors, the TV antenna power booster, clocks, stereos, and appliance circuit boards. If your RV is equipped with battery disconnect switches, make sure they are in the off position when you are not using the RV or when the RV is in storage. Hot temperatures and overcharging kills batteries. During hot temperatures and during periods of high usage, check water levels in batteries more frequently. Checking the electrolyte level and adding distilled water as required can save your lead acid batteries. When you add water to a battery, use mineral-free water. Distilled water is best. Regular tap water can cause calcium sulfation. The majority of RV converter chargers are 3-stage battery chargers. I personally like to use a battery charger, conditioner, and maintainer like this Battery Minder product to keep the batteries topped off. Batteries should only be watered after charging the battery unless the plates are exposed prior to charging. If the plates are exposed, add enough water to cover the plates and then charge the battery. After the battery is fully charged, fill each cell to the bottom of the vent well. The lead and plastic used to construct batteries can be recycled. More than 95% of all battery lead is recycled. Make sure and recycle your old batteries. Well, there you go, 10 easy tips you can follow to extend the life of your RV batteries. To learn more about using and maintaining your RV, visit www.rveducation101.com. Happy camping!